What up, tweakers and geekers? Welcome back to another trade recap. Um, this is from Monday. So, yeah, coming into the markets on Monday, we had some horrible price action. I mean, just look at this, bro. Like, bro, what is this? It's a fucking barcode, and I mean, after we pushed up so, bro, holy shit, man. After pushing up about almost 30%. I know it was not 30, but I don't care. And then we have this horrible barcode price action on both indexes. I was like, damn, maybe don't trade today. Maybe it's just one of these no news Mondays where you really should not trade. So let's check on the news. I know we have CPI today. Maybe gonna gamble an account. But yeah, so yesterday we had no news, and also with this, bro, with this horrible price action right here, I was not really wanting to take a trade. So what do we have here? I was willing to take a trade only if it's a really good setup. So we had London highs, which we already took out pre-market, and a lot of lows and highs, which we just took out all 5 minutes, I guess, both on ES and Nasdaq. We took out London lows. So on the 5 minute, market opens. We rip up, sweep out London, 1 hour liquidity. 10 minutes later, 15 minutes in, no, 10 minutes into, no, 15 minutes into market. We break above all-time highs and taking out all of the daily draws higher today for me. While on Nasdaq we just ripped the fuck up in the first minutes of market open. Oh, fuck this. First minutes of market open. Um, and taking out all draws higher. And for me, I was like, I don't know, taking longs is dumb, taking shorts is dumb. I'm gonna just look at the market, and if something presents itself, I'm gonna take this. So, what do we have here? A high, lower high. We have um, a high and a higher high. So this is an SMT, right? So for me, I was like, damn, yeah, okay. So let's see what happens next. We break structure on the 5 minute and we create this gap. So I'm like, okay, looks okay. We have an SMT, we have swept London highs and all-time highs. We have this SMT right here. We are overextended. We have Asia lows, which we can take out down here. So we could continue price discovery. Now, if we go on the 1 minute, we see us coming into the 5 minute gap here. So we tap into the gap, we reject heavily off it, and we also, while breaking structure on the 1 minute, we also broke, we also inverse this gap, so it's more confluence also with this inverse gap. So for me, I was like, okay, perfect, this looks nice. However, price action was still garbage, so I only risked about 50%, 50, a half percent, only risk a half percent, because price action just was horrible, and um, I wanted to play it safe and entered right here with two contracts. Yeah, and so this was my trade. It's a 1-to-1. Just wanted to make a little profit or a little loss. However, it turned out I did not care. Obviously, I took a loss because we just didn't want to take out Asia lows when we had the opportunity to. No, we wanted to inverse this gap, almost break structure right here, and then just dip down in like 5 minutes, take out Asia lows, and then continue doing some fucking shenanigans right here. I don't know if this had something to do with news coming out. I don't think so. Uh, I don't see any big news coming out which could have caused this. I just think we wanted to take the Asia lows, so my trade idea was correct. I was just in the wrong place, wrong time. You also really could not enter this trade when we dipped down. As you can see, this move happened in about 10 minutes with no retrace. Um, if you're a retard, you could have entered right here on this break. Stops here, take profit. Big trade, but why would you do this after inversing a bearish confluence? Um, yeah, so this is not a valid trade. We would have not taken this. We also, on the 5 minute, closed above the 79% extension. So everything just speaks against this idea that we come down here. Same time on ES, we dipped down into this gap right here. And yeah, got stopped out for, what do we have here? Yeah, so on the 450Ks on Lucid, I lost 240, and on the other Lucid account, I lost 303. Also entered with 3 contracts because I had a better entry. Yeah, we lost it, but not big problem because it's a small loss. It's just half the percent. And yeah, hopefully we get some better price action today. You guys, bye bye.